Myself, Dr. Mahendra Kumar, faculty of Ram Swarup Memorial University, Institute of Law, Assistant Professor. My topic is concept of sustainable development and its element. This concept indicates golden balance between environment protection and industrial development. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This concept indicates in which way development planning should be approached. Development means increasing society's ability to meet human needs and fulfill all the requirements regarding this. This concept indicates the way in which development planning should be approached. The real aim of development must be increase the society ability, at the same time living with harmony with nature and maintaining the carrying capacity of life supporting ecosystem. In international forum, this concept first time find cognizance in Stockholm Declaration 1972. In express way, concept of sustainable development is not comes in this conference, but the base of this concept, intergenerational equity, is accepted in this concept in principle first and second. In international forum, environmental issue firstly taken cognizance in Stockholm Declaration 1972. In this declaration, intergenerational equity, precautionary principle, polluter pays principle are accepted, which are essential part of sustainable development. If we cut out from Stockholm Declaration, Earth Summit, Agenda 21, Butland Summit, the following are the elements of sustainable development. First, intergenerational equity, intragenerational equity, precautionary principle, polluter pays principle, public trust doctrine, environmentally sound technology, and eradication of poverty. What is the meaning of intergenerational equity? Intergenerational equity means each generation have equal right to use natural resources for his enjoyment. This concept is accepted in principle first and second of Stockholm Declaration and Earth Summit also. What is the meaning of precautionary principle? Precautionary principle is based on prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. If any person is going to act any things in natural environment, the liability of that person firstly assure that there is not going any negative effect on environment. Polluter pays principle means if any person created any reverse effect on environment, there are liability to compensate to maintain that effect. Public trust doctrine. Public trust doctrine is based on that that government is trustee of all natural resources. Government is under the liability to secure the rights of environmental rights of every person of the state. Eradication of poverty is also an essential part of sustainable development. In Stockholm Declaration, Honorable Prime Minister at that time, Srimati Indira Gandhi, said that in all pollutant, poverty is the one of the worst type of pollutant. Due to eradication, people's capacity to enjoy life is very poor and their life is against the environment. In India, environmental right is find place as a fundamental right after interpretation of Article 21. According to Article 21, no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according procedure established by law. In Subhash Kumar versus State of Bihar case and in environmental legal action case, court held that clean environment, clean water, clean air are fundamental right of every person. Without this right, no person can enjoy his life. That's all. Okay.